How to grow a thick bonsai trunk, a beginner's guide to bonsai tree care. Want to grow a thick bonsai trunk that gives your tree that ancient, powerful look? Stick around, because I'm breaking down simple, beginner-friendly techniques that actually work. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Bonsai Barn, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip. Whether you're into indoor bonsai care or styling techniques, I've got you covered. So how do you actually thicken a bonsai trunk? First tip, let it grow. Seriously, stop pruning for a while. Letting your tree grow freely for a season or two allows the trunk to thicken naturally. It's one of the most overlooked bonsai tree care techniques, especially by beginners who want instant results. Have you ever tried just letting your bonsai go wild for a while? I'd love to know what happened. Next up, sacrificial branches. This is a classic bonsai trick. You let one or two lower branches grow long and strong while shaping the rest of the tree. These branches draw nutrients and energy, helping the trunk bulk up faster. Once the trunk thickens to your liking, you remove them. Have you used sacrificial branches before? How did it go? Another powerful method, planting your bonsai in the ground temporarily. Bonsai in soil have room to stretch and grow much faster than in a pot. After a few years, you dig it up and begin styling. Just make sure you still practice basic bonsai tree maintenance while it's in the ground, like root pruning and pest prevention. But here's the thing, none of these techniques will work without proper bonsai care. That means watering correctly, understanding bonsai soil requirements, and fertilizing with purpose. Healthy trees grow stronger trunks. Weak trees, no matter the technique, won't respond the same. Finally, be patient. Seriously, trunk development takes time. Months, even years, but if you stay consistent and give your tree what it needs, you'll see results. Growing bonsai is a long game, and the rewards are worth it. So how long have you been working on thickening your bonsai trunk? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more bonsai tips, and don't forget to hit the bell. I've got more videos coming on bonsai wiring methods, root pruning, and reviving a dying bonsai. Stick around and grow with us.